Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to demonstrate or show you how to create macOS Bootable USB on Windows step by step. Very easy. This is macOS Catalina, but probably let's choose one of them. I am going to choose Monterey, macOS Monterey. So as I downloaded it before, after you download macOS, then please go to balena.io and download it. Download please this file. So I have this one, I download it. So I already downloaded it and I have to open it now. So, and this is how you go. Open from OS image, I go to all, change all. And this is it. Then I install, I put USB. Continue, select target, and this is it from here. And select one and flash. So it will take time, probably approximate about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So the time it's ready, I will let you know. This is it.